So we're going to start with our finger names. So we have our thumb is actually going to be a P. Our index is I. Our middle finger is going to be M. And our ring finger is A. So they're different letters because they're Spanish names, and I don't feel like pronouncing them right now. But P-I-M-A is what they are. So we don't have anything for our pinky. So so we can either use a thumb pick or just no pick. So I, for years, never used a thumb pick. I couldn't find one that fit and that felt comfortable, but I did find one. So you could get a little thumb pick. They just look like this, and you could put that on there. So if you don't have one, you don't have to use it. As I said, for years, I never used one. Some players just like the sound better of no thumb pick anyway. But I'm going to use one for now. But all you do, we're going to start with a little bit of open string practice for our P, I, M, and A. And we're just going to put our thumb is going to play the 6th string for now. Our our index, we're going to put it on the 3rd string. And when we pluck it, we kind of pluck towards us. You're just going to pluck it up like that. It's like a little motion. And then your middle is going to be on the 2nd string. And then your ring finger, or your A, your N, I think that's a little bit, you say that one, is on your 1st string. So let's just practice going thumb, index, middle, ring. P, I, M, A. Just like that. Now we're going to go back. So we're going to go up to the A and then do a middle and index. So P, I, M, A, M, I. So let's just practice these open. You might recognize this. So Metallica. Just do it a few times. If you need to slow it down, slow it down. One more time. And we're going to try a new one. Okay, our next pattern, we're going to just mix up the letters a little. We're going to start with our P, then we're going to go middle, index, and ring. I should just say the numbers. M, I, A. So we're going to keep those fingers on strings. This is still 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to go thumbs, that's P, but then you're going to M, and then I, then A. So that's string 6, 2, 3, 1. Finger numbers, P, or letters, M, I, A. P, M, I, A, P, M, I, A, P, M, I, A. Good job. Keep it up. Do it 2 more times. All right, now let's do P-A-M-I. So this is just going backwards. So you're going string 6. 1, 2, 3. Just let it all ring out. One more. All right, our last finger picking pattern practice for today is going to be P-A-I-M. So we're doing all combinations. So we're going to go, it would be P, thumb, 6, A is the 1st string, and then you have your I, 3rd, then 2, your M. So P, I, sorry, P-A-I-M, and then it's 6, 1, 3, 2. String 6, 1, 3, 2, done. P-A-I-M. This gets your fingers all moving kind of individually, getting used to doing things on their own. And last time. Awesome. In the next video, we're going to add some chords to